Quizizz is a learning platform that offers multiple tools to make a classroom fun, engaging, and interactive. As a teacher, you can create gamified quizzes and lessons, conduct formative assessments, host live activities, or assign them as homework, tap into detailed performance reports, and so much more. Since I have already created an account, I just log in. In Quizizz, you can find and play with quizzes that someone else has made, or you can create one. There are many options you can use to design your quiz, like multiple option, filling in the blanks, short answer, and comprehension, among others. To design a quiz, choose the type of quiz you want. Add the question and the answers. Then, click on the correct answer and save the question. You do the same with all the questions you have in mind. Quizizz offers the option to make similar question created by an artificial intelligence. However, if you use this option, don't forget to check the answers to make sure they are correct. It is important to preview the quiz so that you can check everything is okay. Once you do this, your quiz is ready to be published and shared with your students. To do this, click on Publish. When you do this, you will have to add some general information. You will see two options: Start a live quiz and Assign. Use Assign if you want to integrate your quiz to a class. Use Start a live quiz if you want your quiz to be public and use it at any time. Now click on Start. When you do this, a code will appear. Share this code with your students. They only have to go to quizizz.com, click on Enter a code, and paste the code. At this moment, the students can start working on the quiz. We hope this tool can be useful in your work and studies.